Vegetables.
It's your birthday, Arnie.
Now he's eating the vegetables.
That's a big meal for you. You gonna burp soon? You're inhaling it that fast. You're gonna burp.
Good boy. Who are you? Gonna burp soon?
Whoa! Excuse you, mister.